3, that all the officials were felt powerless. At the end, they surrendered, and finally, Britishers were ready to give reward to the peasants of 25%. And finally, the discussion comes to an end, and that means deadlock. Till we have learnt part 3. Now, let us see ahead that what is there in part 4. Finally, Gandhiji has won this battle from the Britishers, and thus for Gandhiji, the amount of the refund was less important than, amount is not important, that whatever the amount Britisher has decided to give back to the peasant, that is not important. The important thing is that the landlord has surrendered in front of the peasants, because now peasants are having their own rights and they have already learnt courage. They are having unity. They don't have any kind of fear from landlords, Englishmen. So finally they have learnt courage. So this is the main winning part for Gandhi. Now British planters abandoned their estates. Finally they leave their property towards peasants. They have to leave India, and thus they have abandoned, means leave their property to the peasants, means estates, and reverted to the peasants. Finally they have given all that things to the peasants. So this is the thing Gandhiji has did in Champaran, and Champaran is the life-changing part of Gandhiji's life. Let us see ahead that after that indigo sharecropping disappeared. Obviously Britishers already surrendered, and thus indigo sharecropping totally disappeared. Now peasants are having their own rights. They are having own thoughts. What kind of plants, whatever they wanted to grow in their fields, they can grow. After that, Gandhiji has noticed in Champaran that this Champaran village is backward. In which thing? Cultural and social thing. Okay, cultural and social things are not there. Totally backwardness Gandhiji has noticed in Champaran, and that's why Gandhiji wanted to do something new into the Champaran. Gandhiji wanted to do development in Champaran. Now what kind of development Gandhiji wanted to do? First of all, Gandhiji has started cultural and social thing. How? Let us see. First of all, Gandhiji has started education over there in Champaran. As many of the peasants, he have noticed that they are illiterate. So Gandhiji has decided to give them education, and he wanted to make the people literate. And thus Gandhiji has founded two young men, means two young teachers named Mahadev Desai, and second one is Narhari Parikh, who was two young men, and Gandhiji has appealed them for education. Gandhiji has done request to that two of the young teachers, and their wives also joined them. Two teachers and their wives, and also many after them, also many of the teachers came from Bombay, Pune. Many of the several more teachers came from Bombay, Pune and other distant places also. So Champaran has got education. So first step Gandhiji has taken in Champaran is education. He has started education over there. He wanted to make people literate. After then, the Devdas person, new character, who was Gandhiji's youngest son, उनके छोटे बेटे थे, and Devdas who came from Sevagram ashram, who also wanted to give his service to Champaran. He has also taken many of the responsibilities over there in Champaran, whereas Devdas came, and just because of Devdas, Mrs. Gandhi, Kasturba also came with Devdas. Devdas के साथ कस्तूरबा भी वहाँ पे join हुए, and whereas Kasturba taught the children or in the villages that ashram rules and cleanliness. So finally they have started total school in 6 villages, primary school they have started into 6 villages, whereas Kasturba taught them cleanliness and ashram rules. In short, finally the first step taken by Gandhiji is education. So the first step has been taken, and now let us see what the next change has been done by Gandhiji in Champaran. The next development Gandhiji has did in Champaran is health condition. Gandhiji has noticed that health conditions were literally miserable. Means there is no any kind of doctor over there. The people were getting sick, but they are not getting proper medicine. So Gandhiji has noticed these things, and that's why he had developed health condition over there, and he appointed many of the doctor over there. He had got a doctor where the doctor provided also many kind of medicines over there, where he has developed these things, and the doctors were already provided service till 6 months. In that 6 months they are providing 3 kinds of medicine to the village people. Here I have mentioned 3 kinds of medicine. First one is castor oil, second one is quinine, and third one is sulfur ointment. Let me explain you about this medicine. First one, here you have given the castor oil. Suppose if some of the peasant or might be village people has got a coated tongue, अगर उनको प्रॉब्लम है रिलेटेड टंग, सो दैट पीपल वर गेटिंग castor oil from the doctor. But if the people are having malaria fever, so they will get quinine plus castor oil medicine. Here quinine plus castor oil for malaria fever. Now third one, if suppose any of the people is having problem with the skin eruption, so they will get sulfur ointment plus castor oil. I hope you get it clearly. First one, castor oil is for coated tongue. Second, quinine is for malaria fever. So if the people is having malaria fever, so they will get quinine plus castor oil. And third one, if the people are having suppose any skin eruption, so they will get sulfur ointment plus castor oil. So these are the medicines available over there in Champaran for the people. So we can say that the development of the we can say health condition was already developed over there by Gandhiji. Now one day Gandhiji has noticed in the Champaran village that women were wearing totally dirty clothes. Filthy means dirty clothes. So Gandhiji was literally getting confused why they are wearing this kind of dirty clothes. They will get such kind of illness through this dirtiness. So Gandhiji has advised Kasturba to talk with that women. One day Kasturba went with one of the women and asked for their filthy clothes. That why are you wearing this kind of dirty clothes? You can wear clean clothes. So at that time that woman has taken Kasturba in the hut. वो अपनी झोपड़ी में उनको लेके जाती है, एंड दैट वीमेन हैज शोज, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ दिखाया इन दैट हट, दैट यू कैन सी इन आवर हट नथिंग इज देयर, वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी कपबोर्ड, इवन वी आर नॉट हैविंग क्लोथ्स, ओके, सो वी कैन वियर clean clothes, we are having only this cloth, so we will have to wear these daily. So that's why these also they will have to develop, and they had done work on these also. After that Gandhiji, where he was done work in Champaran, and he was literally very busy with the Champaran project, so he had keep long distance on ashram. वो आश्रम पे भी वहाँ देख रहे थे, देखभाल कर रहे थे. He had given instruction through mail, telegraph या मेल से वो वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देते रहते थे. Whereas on that ashram, one day Gandhiji has given instruction to fill up the latrine trenches. Okay, latrine trenches means पहले के ज़माने में क्या हुआ करते थे, गड्ढे खोदते थे लैट्रिन के लिए, और वो गड्ढा जब बढ़ जाए तो उसको बंद करके नया गड्ढा करते थे. So that latrine trenches the Gandhiji has instructed to fill and make a new one. If they are not making new latrine trench, अगर वो नहीं बनाते नया, then the old one began to smell, उसकी bad smell आना start हो जाएगा. So look at the cleanliness what Gandhiji wants from the far of the district. वहाँ से बहुत दूर है, but still Gandhiji keep watch on ashram also and give instructions also to the disciples. Next, Champaran is one of the thing in Gandhiji's life, and that is called a turning point of Gandhiji's life. Why? just because British could not order on our own land. Gandhiji's concept is here that Gandhiji is not believing on ideas. Gandhiji is believing to do work, and that's why Gandhiji believed that Britishers cannot order us on our own land. Who are they to order us? And that's why Gandhiji had done this battle, and finally Gandhiji has won this battle also. And here Gandhiji has noticed that in Champaran many poor peasants were there, poor people are there, illiterate people are there, and they are not having any kind of knowledge. If any Britisher or landlord came to them with any kind of paper, they will sign easily. वो sign कर देते because they are not knowing how to read and what is there in that paper. And thus Gandhiji has did this, that not believing idea. Gandhiji, as I have told you, that he was a person is not believing on idea, but he was the person to do work with loyalty. He is the person, and he is a loyal person, a good person who had done many work for the human beings in Champaran. So that's why Champaran is turning point for Gandhiji. Thus next, one of the person who was there in Champaran and who was a British man, Englishman, named Charles Freed Andrews. Charles Freed Andrews was the person who alone was following Gandhiji a lot, who loved Gandhiji's thought, who loved Gandhiji's idea, who loved Gandhiji's courage, and that's why he was the disciple of Gandhi. Whereas Gandhiji's lawyer. Okay, but before that, let me introduce, this is the person who was the disciple of Gandhi, who wanted to follow Gandhiji, and one day as he had got transfer in Fiji Island. So Fiji Island he had got transfer, and that's why he came to Gandhiji for farewell. उनका ट्रांसफर हुआ था फिजी आइलैंड में उनकी सर्विस के लिए. सो फाइनली वो आए थे लास्ट टाइम मिलने के लिए गांधी जी को, बाय करने के लिए आए थे. एट दैट टाइम Gandhiji's lawyer informed Gandhiji that this is the Britishman who can help us. ये एक ऐसा ब्रिटिशर है जो हमें हेल्प कर सकता है. Why can't we put him here in Champaran only so he can help us? हम उसको यहीं पे क्यों नहीं रख सकते ताकि वो हमें हेल्प करे. Whereas Gandhiji's means destroy. We can say that Gandhiji denied to keep that person in Champaran, and Gandhiji again instructed that lawyers, already we are free from Britisher, then why you wanted to keep this one Britisher in Champaran? As you know that they are our enemy. Yeah, that is a different thing that he is following us, but we cannot keep any single Britisher in our Champaran, on our land. If you are keeping them on your land, that means you are the follower of them. आप उनके follower बनना चाहते हो? Why you wanted to take help of that British man? Don't you have any courage? क्या आपके पास कोई courage नहीं है? This is the conversation they have talked, means Gandhiji and lawyers, that weakness of heart. If you are taking the help of the Britisher, that means you are very weak. Still you are not having courage. So please stop to keep that Britisher on our land and let him go. This advice Gandhiji has given to the lawyers. So that means all the people has learnt the lesson. Gandhiji from this conversation taught the people of self-reliance, Indian independence, and help to sharecroppers. These three things Gandhiji has taught to the people in Champaran. Self-reliance, self-dependence is most important for the people. Indian independence is also important, and third one, help to sharecropper. These three things Gandhiji has taught to the people, and finally the people of the Champaran, whatever the people living over there, they were getting freedom, they were happy, they are doing their work according to their thoughts, according to their ideas, and they are now independent people. So this is the chapter in which we have seen that Gandhiji has done one kind of satyagraha in Champaran village, and finally Gandhiji has won the battle also. So please refer this video part 4, and whatever the confusion you are having, we will discuss into the live session. Thank you.